ACH mandate registration. It may look confusing, but it is actually simple. We will guide you through the process step by step. Follow these instructions carefully during the process. Complete the entire process in one go, as the link works only once. Do not refresh the page or switch tabs at any stage of the process. The ACH registration link is one-time use only, so proceed carefully. If you are using a mobile, do not close or switch tabs, lock the screen, or attend calls until the process is completed. Open your Gmail and find the email with the subject ACH mandate registration. Open the email and scroll down. You will see an option called Confirm ACH e-mandate. Click on that option and you will be directed to the ACH authorization page. If the option does not work, copy this link and paste it into a new tab. This will also take you to the same ACH authorization page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can see the amount box showing the maximum limit under this mandate. You can use the same mandate to increase your monthly investment or invest a lump sum in the future up to this limit. This is only a registration and no amount will be deducted now. Here you can see the end date. This is an auto-fetched maximum date, which means your mandate will be valid for 40 years from the date of registration. Now look for the option Select Authorization Mode. When you click on it, you will see three options for authorization: NetBanking, Debit Card and Aadhaar card. You can choose any option based on your convenience. Select the debit card option, tick the checkbox and click Confirm. A pop-up screen will appear. Click Yes and wait for a few seconds. You will be redirected to your respective bank portal. You will receive an OTP on your bank registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click Confirm. It will then ask you to select the card. If you have multiple cards linked to the same bank account, all options will be shown. Select the required card and click Confirm. Next, you will be asked to validate your card. Enter the card expiry date, card holder name, card PIN and the CAPTCHA. Make sure all details are entered correctly, then click Proceed. Wait for a few seconds. You will be redirected to the Payment Details page. Scroll down, tick the checkbox and click to accept. You can either wait for 15 seconds or click the option shown to move to the e-mandate site. Here again you can wait for 10 seconds or simply click the option to redirect to the e-mandate authentication page. That's it. Your ACH mandate registration is now completed.